Hey, it's Keith with East Tennessee Flippers here. Let's pull a couple of orders today. Our first order is going to be over here in bin number 3, or bin number 4, sorry. It's going to be a set of the wall clippers. It sold for $22.50, free shipping. Thank you to Melchi. I hope I'm not butchering that name, but thank you for that. The next order is gonna be out of the same bin. That's the only 2 orders we've got going today. But it's also another order of the wall clippers for $22.50, free shipping. Thanks, Lance, for that one. Guys, the rest of the lights are supposed to be in tomorrow, so I'll post a video when they do get here and I get them installed. But other than that, guys, just remember that there's always somebody out there that's got it harder than you do, and just keep on keeping on.